grab the bottom of it.
Grab
Maybe.
and then which way are we gonna flip it?
Yeah, that's the problem.
Can we?
Yeah, we can do it.
Okay, I don't know.
Yeah, you have to stand
Yeah,
here.
there we go.
Oh, look
Ready?
at Ross is done.
1, 2, 3.
Oh!
Oh, there you go.
It's pretty close. It's pretty
Let's
close.
see. Let's see.
Curious if that's set.
It's performance art.
Excellent.
Okay.
Wow.
There's also some
I do wish we had
objects previously identified as Skittles.
Do you expect us to eat this? Or?
Oh yeah,
I don't know if it would be.
I would have a
It's,
plate.
it'd be rude if you didn't eat it. Yeah.
It's a weird.
Okay.
Oh
Well.
my goodness.
Wow. Look at what happened to those Skittles.
Oh,
I
okay.
think the Skittles dissolved.
Partially.
Because there are all these like Skittle-shaped holes.
There are
in
things
there.
that like destabilize the Jell-O. You know, like if you
Oh,
put,
that's true.
like if you put fresh pineapple or
great.
whatever. Like tried that action.
Oh right, and
Dig in.
I was learning about this week, like.